This is Mike from MPCstuff.com. We're going to show you real quickly how to change the pads on the new Akai MPC Studio MK2. It's pretty simple, so the video shouldn't be too long. You're going to take out all the screws that are along the bottom here. That'll open up this red bottom plate here. Pull that off, and we'll see underneath here. Now we'll see a whole other set of screws down here that are labeled, and we're going to start taking those off. Once we take those screws off, I'll let you know how we need to deal with these cables. You're also going to need to take those screws off that are holding the jog wheel in the front. Alright, now that we have all the screws out, we're going to be ready, including those ones, and we took the jog wheel off so this can come up. Now we're ready to undo this little right here. So right here, this and this side need to move up, and that will release that ribbon cable right here. So those need to just move upward. Like that. Here on the other side. So once we move those up here, we'll be able to pull that out. Now that we have those out, we'll be able to pull this PCB board up here, get it out of the way to reach our pad sensors and our other things inside the unit. So here, if we need to change the pad sensors, they're here. Keep in mind, the shiny side goes towards the pads, and the flat side goes towards the sensors that you'll see on here. All right, now we're in here and we have our new MPC Stuff pads. We're gonna go ahead and place them inside. The one thing that you'll note about this unit, since it's a different, newer unit, you're gonna have to cut little slices there, a circle, to get around that part right there. I'm gonna show you mine after I cut it, and we'll get the thing back on. All right, so I cut a little V-notch in on each side. That way the pads can fit in here. So once they're in here, we're just gonna put them all the way down. And once they're all the way down, we're gonna put our sensors back. And remember, you're gonna put the flat, not glossy side up, sorry. And then we're gonna put our PCB back on, all our screws just like we had them before, and put the unit back together. It's a pretty simple install, just to put all the screws in. All the screws are also fortunately the same size, so you can't mess those up, and just put the unit back together. I'll show you the finished.